but it's pretty traumatic to have to retell your story over and over and over again.
Elijah Wood is a formerly homeless person who now works for a Seattle-based homeless service agency. Every time he sought help, he had to tell his story because service providers didn't know who he was or what he needed. But that's changing. The King County Regional Homeless Authority is working with Microsoft and other technology firms to develop a so-called by name list, a database that records individuals and their information. It's a new method adopted by other cities to bring light to what is often an anonymous issue. By using and analyzing data, proponents say cities may better address homelessness.
All of that information that somebody's having contact in those providers can be accessed in real time to have more of a continuum of care that leads to more effective outcomes.
Under the system, when a person seeks services such as at a homeless shelter, their name, date of birth, as well as medical, health, and other personal information will travel with them.
If a person experiencing homelessness decides to allow their health records to be attached to their name on the by name list, they can allow like a doctor to see those health records.
One goal of the project is to give cities and organizations insight into the homeless population.
It's important to see the trends over time because the population is changing, circumstances, the environment changes.
But even with data and insights, some communities don't have the money needed to address homelessness, he says.
The fundamental problem is we don't have sufficient resources for the people who are on a by name list or any other list.
In the coming months, people working on the by name list here say they will strive to build trust with homeless people as they collect their information. For VOA News, Phil Dierking, Seattle, Washington.